I've never been this scared before. Today I have to go to school, but Mom and Dad aren't home. I wake up and brush my teeth. Floss. I grab my school bag and get ready for class. It feels a little heavy, but I'm so excited. I step outside and almost get hit by a car. It makes me so scared. I get on the school bus. But the story doesn't end there. On the way to school, something strange happens. We suddenly see a flicker of light in the sky. It grows brighter and brighter. And right above my head, a spaceship from aliens appears. It turns out to be a monster with a long tongue. So scary. Help! Please help me! I'm so scared!
Let